Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Backwoods Solar YouTube video. In today's video, we'll be going over our CME and EMP hardening kit. We're going to begin today's video by talking about the individual components included in our Backwoods Solar CME and EMP hardening kit. Links for everything we're discussing today, including our EMP kit and any of the documents we discuss, will be included in the description box below. As you can see on the screen here, I have our EMP CME kit installed into a small-scale mock-up of a pretty typical off-grid or critical load backup system. Starting here on the right, our kit includes 2 of our medium ferrites, suitable for wire sizes from 0 to 4 gauge. We also include 8 of our small ferrites, suitable for wire sizes from 6 to 10 gauge, and 2 of our large ferrites, suitable for wire sizes from 2/0 to 4/0. Beyond the ferrites, we also include a network RJ45 line suppressor and 3 pieces of conductive gasket. Also pictured here on the screen are 3 SPDS, or surge suppression devices. These are a MOV, or metal oxide varistor based SPD, or surge suppression device. These include 1 for the solar DC input and 2 AC, 1 for the inverter input and 1 for the inverter output. Using our small-scale mock-up here as an example, we essentially have 2 pieces of equipment within this system we want to protect: our solar charge controller and our inverter. While the exact placement of your SPD or ferrites within your system may vary, the general concept is we want to place them as physically close to the equipment we're trying to protect as possible. The thought behind this is long wire runs will act like antennas, amplifying and drawing in energy, so minimizing distance between ferrites, SPDs, and the equipment you're trying to protect will help in their effectiveness of suppression. If you want more information or some more technical details on the component selection, linked below will be a document from a 2016 unclassified DHS report on hardening of governmental systems against EMP and CMEs. Our components were selected based on guidelines within this document. If you do have any other additional comments or questions, feel free to leave those in the comment box below. We do read and respond to all comments. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one.
Backwoods Solar is America's oldest and most trusted solar retailer with nearly 50 years of experience. Head over to our website, backwoodssolar.com, to get a free copy of our planning guide. While you're there, check out our Learning Center with articles on setup, sizing, tax credits, and so much more helpful information, especially if you're just getting started with solar. There are also links provided in the description.